guys. I was just going to do a small video because I've been on Smule today doing karaoke and pretending to be Jimi Hendrix. Yes. So be playful. Make sure you play out all the little parts of yourself. And even if you're not a very good singer or a dancer, rinse it out. Like Taylor Swift said, we've got Taylor Swift fans in the house. Shake it off. Yeah? Apparently her favourite number is 13. Now maybe she knows something more than... And yesterday I seen one magpie. Was it a magpie? Blackbird magpie? You know, the black and white birds. And I thought maybe it's the perception of thinking that is bad luck. That is the problem, you know? Like, you know, the problem, the way we look at it. Like, oh no, that's bad. It's bad luck. And just like scare away from these very old things that we say to ourselves. Like, you know, one is bad luck. Maybe, you know, maybe it's not. Yeah. So make sure you play. Make sure you express and rinse out your stress. Jimi Hendrix, amongst other stars. Now, come on. It's just beautiful music. There's so many beautiful artists out there, isn't there? And Jimi Hendrix, man. Any of the... Johnny Cash, Jimi Hendrix, Kurt Cobain, Amy Winehouse, even... Well, I think, yeah, she might have been... No. But yeah, just... The messages and music is just... so enlightening. Like, they've been telling us for years, and I'm not going to go too into it, but, you know, they live far out, don't they, the stars? You know, and I think they've seen basically a lot of things that we think we've seen, haven't we? They're like the prophets of today, aren't they? Like, I was just listening to a nice song by Jimi Hendrix, My Angel, or some Angel, and oh, it's just beautiful. They just knew what was going on, didn't they? You know, a lot of them, and a lot of them died at 27, and you know, there are conspiracy theories. Bob Marley, I'm not going to not mention Bob Marley, God. But there are, you know, it's just music before its time, and you go back and listen to it now, and it makes more sense than ever each year when you listen to music like that. And you can think to yourselves, oh, they were murdered and they died on drugs. Or maybe part of life is the next stage, because we know nothing about the next stage of life. Maybe it's not so bad on the other side of life. Maybe they gave everything that they had to give in life. You know what I mean? Like, maybe that's why they went at 27. They gave so much for humanity and change and transition and freedom, and it's just beautiful, the way it all, you know, played music. They've been telling us for years. It's been, you know, since the 70s. It's such a long fight, isn't it? And we're not going to give up this fight now. No. So have no fear, guys. Have love. Judge yourself as much as you like, but just do it gently. Don't wear it. And I'm probably going to upload a load of my smules now where I'm just embarrassing and free and, yeah, whatever. But, oh, listen to music, especially old music. Just so much out there that just giving you so much confidence. And another thing I was thinking about earlier is the word confused. Confusion, you know, like fusion. So, you know, confused. I'm confused about the word confused. Fused. And I made up a saying yesterday, and I'm going to say it. Own your own. Own your own. Own your own on your own. Right, so cheers. My daughter's back now. I'm in her room again. So yeah, smule alert. Freedom, as they say in what film? What film's that? Freedom at the end. Oh, what is it? Oh, you know, the Celtic film with the... Not Celts, you know, the Scots. What's his name? Oh, no. It's going to play on me now. You know the film Freedom? Oh, bye. I'll be thinking about that all day. Anyone know the name to that film? You know, that one. What was his... Will... Yeah, subscribe. Tell me. Cheers. Don't be too crazy. Don't be too serious.